welcome back to my channel. You seen that title, you seen that thumbnail, so you know exactly what this video is going to be about. Before I get into the video, I want to say make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new, hey boo. Okay, y'all, so as y'all see, I recently purchased a new wig from alipearl.com, and this was one of the very first companies I worked with as far as like ordering wigs from them to see how it was going to work out, because y'all know my wig journey started a year ago. So I wasn't really sure about what kind of hair I should get and what company I should shop with. So I shopped with alipearl, which is one of the very first companies, like I said before, that I shopped with. And I just decided to go back to that company again and order another wig from them because I wanted to switch it up and do something different. Okay, so this is going to be a hair review. I'm going to give you details on the hair, how I feel about the hair, and this color is just popping. You know what I'm saying? It's just popping. And I'm actually about to get ready to go. So I have my hair pinned at the top because I did put a few curls in it. So when I pin it, it just helps it fall just like I want it to fall when I, before I leave the house or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna start off by saying that this is a 99J wig. I got it in the light color, I want to say. I don't want to say I did dark. I think I did light. I think I went all the way with it. I got light. This is a 28-inch wig because y'all know I love long hair. I love bundles, long wigs. It has to be damn near touching my ass every time, okay? Because this is just how I am. But yeah, so 28 inches. The cap size I got was a small, but y'all know I always get a small cap size, and then I still have to turn around and end up adding an elastic band to the wig just to make sure it fits snug like I like it, because my head is not really as big as I thought it was, because every time I order a small is too big and I have all this extra room in the back. So I always have to add an elastic band because I love my wigs to fit snug. Even if somebody try to snatch this baby off, they're gonna have to put in some work, and that's period. Don't play with me. You won't be able to just snatch this wig off my head. So I did add an elastic band to it. And it is 250% density. Y'all know I love a full wig. So even when I straighten it, I don't like the thin look, okay? So I always go with a higher density. So if you go a higher density, it'll be thicker. If you go a lower density, then you know it's gonna be thinner. But there's times where it's best to choose a lower density depending on the company that you're shopping with, because sometimes their hair can be super, super thick. But as you can see, this is 250% density, as you can see. And I mean, it looks good to me. Like I said, I have it pinned right now. But yeah, so it's 250% density. So let me go ahead and throw that out there. Majority of the wigs I get are 200% density or more. Yeah, I can say that. So I will add the details on the screen, and I must say that I love this wig, y'all. Like from the time that I first got it and first installed this wig, it didn't take much for me to install it at all. I didn't have to do much plucking. I did do some baby hairs at the top, and I did go with the middle part because I just wanted to just switch it up and get out of my comfort zone, because I never would have thought that I would purchase a wig that's colored from like this. Anyway, I never had this color in my hair before. Well, no, I had it like ombre, but as far as like completely, never. But a lot of people like it. I get a lot of compliments on this hair. It's so crazy. A lot of people compliment me on this color, and I really appreciate it, because I was really nervous about it, but I'm glad I decided to do it. So let's get into the details of this hair. Straightening the hair. How does the hair straighten? The hair straightens well. I've straightened the hair plenty of times. As y'all know, I did go out of town last weekend. No, I didn't vlog anything, but I went out of town. I went to Miami, and I had my hair straight pretty much the entire time, and it looked good. But more so for me, I love curls. I feel like curls just bring out another side of me. And like when I'm stepping out, I don't know what it is, but the curls just do your girl some justice. And I like my curls kind of loose, not too tight, but I love that curl look. And I will give you guys a full image of the hair, and I will add pictures on the screen of the hair as well, so you can see it as I talk to you guys. But yeah, so 28 inches, curls well, straightens well, shedding. The hair does shed. I'm just gonna be honest about that. it's not like shedding so bad where I'm leaving a trail behind me, leaving a trail in people's car, leaving a trail in my car, leaving a trail in the club, leaving a trail in my bed. It's not that type of shedding. But when I run through my hair and brush it and comb it after I have just thrown it in the closet, because y'all know how I store my wigs. I don't have no wig heads. I just put it in the bag that it came in and just go about it that way. So every time I reinstall the wig, I never sleep in this wig unless I have slept in this wig a few times, but for the most part, I don't sleep in it. So yeah, it sheds a little bit. So if you go through the hair with your brush or your comb, you will see some shedding, but it's not very bad. For as tangling, the only time I experience tangling is when I wear it curled. And it's usually when I get home and I'm taking the wig off, and it's usually like in the nape of the wig, like in the back, like right behind my neck. And you know, that's pretty normal when you have long hair. Like if you have like 20 inches on up, it's likely that it'll get a little tangled, especially if you're wearing curls and stuff and you're constantly moving around. It's just likely to happen. I'm just gonna say it like that, okay? Another thing that I can say is, you know, like when you color hair, the color seems to run. I have noticed that it runs just a little bit though. It's not like as if I colored the hair at home, and y'all know this wig was colored before it even got to my house. So I don't experience running of the color that much, but just say if I wet the ends, like when I wash the top and I want the baby hairs and stuff to be fresh, sometimes I see a little bit of the color in the sink, but it's not a big deal whatsoever, you know? So overall, the wig, I am very, very satisfied. I will shop with them again. I actually seen another wig on there that I'm thinking about purchasing really, really soon. So let's talk about the customer service and the shipping. Usually when I shop with Ali Pearl, my wig is here very, very, very fast. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. But this time around, first off, your girl was excited. Second off, it took a long time. I actually had to email them and say, hey, just checking on the status of my order. Do you know exactly when I will receive my wig? And I ended up receiving the tracking information for the wig about 3 days after that. And they responded very, very fast. I wasn't over here waiting for a response. The customer service, they're very friendly. They will get back with you with any questions that you have. And they're just so friendly. Like even when I post on my Instagram, and if you're not following me, follow me at prettyyounglady_. But even when I post on my Instagram and I tag them, they repost my pictures. And even if they don't repost, they DM me every time and tell me, thank you, I look so good in the wig. Very, very friendly. And I just like that. So I would definitely shop with them again. You already know that because I've seen another wig that I like. But yeah, you guys. So all I'm going to do right now is take out the pins, because I am about to get ready to go. So if we just, you see how it falls exactly like I want it. Okay, so this is the hair. This is how it looks. And then, like I said before, I did put a few curls in it. So, you know how that goes. But yeah, so overall, I would say this kind of like a beginner friendly wig. Yeah, I would say it was beginner friendly. It didn't require much work at all. And this is a closure. How could I forget to say that? Y'all, it's a closure. Can you tell? Yeah, it's a closure. It's a 5x5 closure, you guys. It's a closure wig. Why didn't I say that? I should have said that at the beginning. It is a closure wig, but you know what? I'm putting the details on the screen. So even if I didn't say it, you can always reference it later. But yeah, you guys, I had to come at you guys with this review on this hair on this 99J wig. Okay, boo. Period. But yeah, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And once again, if you're new, hey boo, I had to come with this review. So if you're thinking about shopping with Ali Pearl and you're not sure, or if you're thinking about purchasing the same wig that I have, go for it. Let me tell you the details one more time. It's a 5x5 closure wig. It's a body wave texture, 250% density, and small cap size. But I did go in and add a elastic band, which they provided me with one, and then they provided me with wig caps and a pair of lashes that's not up to my standards, y'all. You know, I'm just gonna be honest. You see the lashes that I have, the ones that they sent me went in the trash immediately after. Oh no, did I throw them away? Hold on. Okay, y'all, so actually I didn't throw it away. These are the lashes they sent. They're not up to my standards. I don't wear lashes that look like this. But it's the thought that counts. I'm gonna say that. And then the wig cap, they sent me a wig cap. So, you know, they kind of got close to my complexion, but it's kind of dark. But, you know, I've had wigs in the past that would send me black wig caps, and I'm like, what do I supposed to do with this? I don't know. Okay, you guys. But yeah, so if you're thinking about it, don't second guess yourself. Go ahead and do it. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.